Good day, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to customize fields. To access Studio, first go to Admin Settings by clicking. You'll land on the Studio page where you can all the modules available for custom. This example, we'll use Inside the Jobs module in Studio, you'll see left is your list of available, right is your actual form layout. Available fields include labor cost. These are fields that exist in the system but aren't current. Form layout is organized into tabs: work order, cost centers, work locations, schedule, resources, and custom. Exactly what your team sees when they open. To add a field to your form, click and hold any field from the left panel. Drag and drop it into the position you want on the right. You can drop it into any existing tab. For example, drag a field into the Information tab to make it visible right at the top of the job record. You can also click Add Section to create a new grouping of fields. Let's create a new section now. You can rearrange fields that are already in your form by dragging them to a new position. Move them up, down, or across columns to match how your team works. The same process applies to any of the other modules in Studio. If your team uses the Fieldmagic mobile app, click Switch to Mobile to adjust the layout for mobile view. Once you're happy with everything, click Save in the top right corner to apply all your changes. And that's how you customize fields and form layouts in Fieldmagic. For more help, reach out to the Fieldmagic support team.